today I'm here with a New Year's inspired makeup look using all ColourPop for the most part. And this is my third and final video with Shelly. She also did a look. This is the last look of our collaboration. We did a 3-part series. I'll link the other 2 videos below. Shelly's video will be below. This time I decided to do darker smoky eye, of course glitter. Can't do New Year's without glitter. I mean, who does that? If you guys would like to see how I achieve this very glittery, glowy look for New Year's, keep watching. So, let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting off with my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer in sheer, and it's just a sheer primer. I'm putting a very, very light layer of this because I'm using another primer on top. So this is going to be light. Alright, on top of that, I'm taking my NYX Jumbo eyeshadow pencil in Black Bean. It's just a black base. This is super old school. Used to use this years ago. Still do. I love these pencils. And I have one of those Milani double-ended sharpeners. And this fits perfectly in the big end. So if you're wondering what sharpener works for this, that's affordable. The Milani one is perfect. Hopefully they still have it. As with most products, if you can't find it in your local drugstore, Amazon usually has it. I don't sharpen it all the way, I just sharpen it enough so that I can get some off the end. So, I'm going to start by spreading and like drawing a little bit on the lid. You don't need much. This is just going to help intensify the darker shade I'm going to use on my eyelid. Oops, longer nails, so it's a little trickier. You could definitely use a brush for this, which probably will be easier, but I'm a finger person. That didn't sound right. Probably be easier if you don't have nails, or if you have nails like I do, so you don't get black stuff everywhere. I'm actually gonna take a brush and just smooth it out some, so it's not so crazy. And go around the edges lightly with your fingers if you need it. And you don't have to worry about perfection. It's just a primer. As long as you don't have it caked up too much, then you won't have to worry about it. Alright, today, I believe I'm just using 2 palettes. Yes, I think I have everything I need in these 2 palettes. The 2 palettes from ColourPop I'm going to be using today are the Disney Villains Misunderstood palette from ColourPop. These pretty colors. I've not used this. This is one of my Black Friday purchases. And this is another Black Friday purchase. This is the Bitty ColourPop. So as I mentioned a few videos back, I am a ColourPop ambassador, but I don't get everything. Like, they don't send me everything that they have. So, did some pretty heavy damage for Black Friday. So, if you guys want to see a haul of everything I got, just let me know. I don't know. That would be helpful to y'all, probably, so I might do it anyway. I'm gonna take the Fates. The Fates, this is in the Misunderstood palette. I'm using that blue color there. I'm taking it on a fluffy brush. I'm actually going to use a MAC 222. I had blue in that yesterday, and I've dusted off the remainder of the product, so this will work just fine. I'm taking this color in the crease. You can apply as little or as much as you'd like. Just make sure that primer isn't creasing in the crease before you apply it. Like so. I'm gonna take my Misunderstood palette again, Revenge, which is that shimmery black here. I'm taking this color. Taking a flat brush. This is the Bare Minerals Full Taper Shadow and Blush Brush. It's flat on the end. I'm packing this on the lid. I'm like packing it, a lot of it, because I want mine intense. It's so shimmery and pretty. Look at that. I'm starting to blend it into the crease. pretty that is. Gorgeous. Next, I'm gonna go back into the crease with that blue. Just a little. I want to make sure the blue hue doesn't disappear. And also want to buff those two colors together more. Now I'm going to take a completely clean brush. This is the Morphe M433. It's another contoured, tapered shadow brush. Taking my Misunderstood palette again. And I'm taking Tragic, which is that matte nude shade in the palette right here. Starting underneath my highest point of the arch. And going outwards. And then going back in. This is going to help buff everything out. You can even bring it down into the blue. Going back in with that brush I used for the blue, you just want to make sure nothing's patchy. So it might take going back and forth a few times. Just be patient. Of course, my tear duct is bare, so I'm going to put something else there. Okay, gonna apply some glitter in there. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm putting glitter here and down there. I mean, for New Year's Eve or for New Year's in general, you have to wear glitter. It's kind of a must. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see what I want to use for this. I think I'm gonna start with this really tapered brush. This is from some random brush set. You can use anything similar. Hopefully. I think this brush will work. If it doesn't, we'll try something else, but I think this brush will work. I'm taking Gumdrop in my Candy Button palette, which is the shimmery, silvery purple. There. Light color. I'm applying this in the tear duct and also in the inner lower lash line. Oh yeah, this brush is gold. Love it. Look at that, it's so pretty. You can apply as little or as much as you'd like. Alright. We're going in with the lower lash line color now. I think I'm gonna stick with the blues here. Kind of like how it's looking. You could use purple as well if you want it. But I'm taking the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in DTLA. I guess that means downtown LA. I'm applying this on the lower lash line only, not doing the waterline because I'm putting something else in there. I'm gonna take a lighter color in the tear duct or in the inner waterline. This is Prance. It's a lighter blue. This is also one of their cream gel liners. Oh yeah, love the pop of lightness in there. Beautiful. Now you could definitely go dark if you want, but I want to brighten it up some more. I'm going to take Feline Coal Power by MAC. There's also one from ColourPop, a black one, but I don't have it in here at the moment. I'm tight lining with this. It's totally optional, but it just helps pull the look together if you put black there. I'm ready to move on to concealer. For concealer, I'm taking my No Filter Concealer. This is in shade Medium Dark 32. It's way too light. So, this is dark 40. I'm going to use the darker one because I realized I had that one in here. But I might mix them because I need to use this up too. So I'm putting a little of the light one and then a lot of the darker one. I'm taking this brush from Sedona Lace 872 to blend it out. Also, you guys might be wondering, I didn't talk about my hair. I did re-dye it, well my hairstylist did. And it is like a dark blue. It's like a winter blue, I would call it. It's like indigo. Like in between blue and purple. It's not quite bright blue. Well, looking at it now, you can see it much better there. But for some reason, it looks black. But that's not the color. It's not black. I don't know if I would ever go back to black hair. One, it's so hard to get rid of, and two, I spent years working in corporate and jobs in general where they did not allow non-natural colored hair. So I'm experimenting now. I'm enjoying and living life. So I'm not going back to black anytime soon, if ever. I'm taking NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. It's just a pen liner. I'm gonna take that brush with the blue again, just because I have a little more on the other side on this outer edge. Much better. Okay, mascara. ColourPop has one, but I'm gonna take Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara. I'm gonna start with this. I think it's time to get rid of this. Not defining my lashes how I would like. It's kind of drying out. And I need a moist mascara. I have some information on this company that recycles used mascara wands. And forgot exactly what it's used for, but it's for a great cause. Just remember, I'm glad I decided to keep that. I have information about it in the description box as soon as I can find info on it. But like I said, it's for a really good cause, so don't throw your mascara away. Check the description box first. I'm going in with Pure Fully Charged. This one's nice and moist. It's gonna define my lashes more like I want. For lashes, taking my Cherry Blossom Wispies. They're just the traditional wispies. Need to use something else. Y'all are probably tired of seeing these, but they are holy grails, so I'm gonna keep using them. This is the Pure Air Flash Spray Foundation in shade 501. It's really light, but I need to use it. I'm just gonna spray a little because I don't like a lot of coverage. Y'all know that by now. Using this cheap foundation brush to blend it up. It's not super light now. More like a wintry shade. Putting a little more around the mouth because I have hyperpigmentation there. Okay, taking my highlighter. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek and Spellbound. I'm using the same brush I used earlier, which is the Bare Minerals Full Tapered Shadow and Blush Brush. For blush, using Between the Sheets Super Shock Cheek. This is also from ColourPop. For lips, keeping those nude, I'm using Beeper by ColourPop. It's one of their ultra matte lips. I'm gonna set it with All Nighter. I need to start doing this. This is by Urban Decay, by the way. Hope you guys enjoyed this New Year's look with Shelly. And this is our third and final installation for our collaboration. We did Thanksgiving and also Christmas. I'll link those both below. Please don't forget to check out Shelly's video for New Year's. I'll have hers linked at the end of this video and also in the description box. Please subscribe to her if you have not. She makes awesome reviews and first impression try-ons, awesome videos. Please check her out if you have not. If you guys have any questions, if you have any comments, if you like the video, please rate it and subscribe to me if you have not. Turn your post notifications on if you have not, so you can know the next time I post a video. I will talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.